Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn poem number 5, Trees, written by Shirley Boer. Now, what are we going to see over here? In this poem, the poet has beautifully described all the uses of trees, what all we as human beings receive for trees, what all things we should be grateful for, why we should be planting more and more trees. Here we are going to learn the importance of trees in a very poetic way. Come on. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. What all are the uses of trees? Trees are for birds. Trees provide houses for birds. Trees are for children to play under them. Trees are to make tree houses in. You might have seen in places where there is a lot of rain, people make tree houses. So, if there are no trees, how are they going to make tree houses? Right. So, trees are to make tree houses on. Trees are to swing swings on. You must have many at times used trees to swing, right? Especially during summer vacations. Then, trees are for the winds to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. So, the wind blows through the trees. Children play hide and seek and they go and hide behind the trees. Then people, especially ladies, they have tea parties under the trees where they discuss about various things, spend time with each other, have a good fun time with each other under the trees. Trees are for kites to get caught in, especially during Uttarayan. You must have seen this. Many a times your kite gets stuck in the trees. So, trees are for kites to get stuck in, to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. So, during summer season, if we have trees, they are going to provide us shade, right? We can sit under the shade, talk to our friends, read something, and during the winters, it will not provide us shade. Trees are for apples and pears and various other fruits to grow on. If there were no trees, how do you think we were going to get fruits, even vegetables, anything to eat? Whatever we are eating, we are getting from the trees, right? Trees are to chop down. Trees, why do we need trees? For wood also, timber, so that you can cut down the wood and say that you have got timber. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. So, whenever mothers see trees, they always see this beautiful scenery and they will say that if you paint this, it will be a lovely picture. So, mothers, whenever they look at the trees, they say that what a lovely picture to paint. And fathers, being fathers, they are always thinking about money and earning. So, they will say that this fall they will have a lot of leaves to rake. So, they will have a lot of money that they will be able to make by raking the leaves. So, over here children, we discussed various uses of trees. Now, like you saw that it is very easy and it is very nice for us to put things in a poetic way. So, today once we finish this video, you are going to sit down and write poem on two topics, air and water. In the poem, you are going to describe the uses of air and water just like how the poet has described the uses of trees over here, right? I hope you enjoyed this poem. Now, I will meet you in our next lecture. Till then, bye-bye.